Hello to any remaining Autobots out there. I am Optimus Prime. Unfortunately, the last Prime. This is a message to any Autobot remaining. To any remaining Autobot out there. If you can come to planet Earth, that would be good. Very good. Planet Earth. We have crash landed here. Me and my companion, Bumblebee. And Bumblebee's kind of annoying.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I put my nose.
Oh my god.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, anyways, to any remaining Autobots, we know that you might still be hunted down by the Decepticons, but if you get to planet Earth, we can all team up and destroy and defeat the Decepticons. And Megatron is still alive. Well, to any Autobots out there, this is Optimus Prime saying, "Come to Earth." We must be in the skies, though. We do not know if they're ready to take how we are yet. So, this is Optimus Prime saying goodbye. Bumblebee, do you actually think that was good? Do you think that was good, Bumblebee?
Yeah. Excellent day.
Thanks, Bumblebee. That feels good to know. I'm like, I hope that they got that message, though. I really do.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Optimus, I got your message.
Who are you?
Optimus, remember me. It's me, Ratchet.
Who's Ratchet? Oh, buddy. Ratchet. Oh, baby.
I don't think that he remembers you, Ratchet.
Ratchet? Who's Ratchet?
Yeah, okay. Nice vehicle form.
Are you
I know, right?
Are you going to transform?
I'm just gonna. Yeah, I'm right back.
So Bumblebee. Anyways, while Ratchet's getting changed, I hope he can fix you. I really do hope.
Oh, it feels so good to stretch my arms. I haven't really stretched them out in a while. Oh.
So did your plane crash or something? Really?
Oh.
So what happened?
Optimus, can we have this to wait until, I get comfortable. Oh. Especially after turn this all around. Oh my god. Well, all this time, I can't believe Ratchet's actually been alive, Bumblebee.
Yeah, me too. Can't believe it.
Bumblebee, you can't believe anything, can you?
I can.
Whatever. Oh, Optimus.
I like birdies. So, what's up, Bumblebee? I see a bird.
Yes, you do, Bumblebee.
Bumblebee, how can you see a bird when we're inside a base? Ratchet, how did you even find us in here?
I tracked some Autobot signals, and
Autobot symbols?
Autobot symbols. Yes. Why?
I didn't know you had those.
Yes, I can track you guys.
So, how's it feel to stretch your legs?
Feels good, Optimus. Why?
Oh, just wanted to know. Jeez, just wanted to know. God. Oh, Ratchet, you knocked me down.
I'm sorry, Optimus.
Thanks a lot.
Well done. I feel good, actually.
What do you feel so good?
What do you feel good about? Look, I haven't really. I feel so good to see you. It feels so good. Just to see. Is there something wrong with this base?
Yeah, we kind of built it ourselves.
Have you guys managed to find any other Autobots?
Oh, no.
No.
Hi, that's it.
Oh, what's my Bumblebee? Optimus, get off the ground, Optimus.
I see stars.
Bumblebee, one question. Why do you sound weird?
That sounds weird.
Yes, you do, Bumblebee. Sounds very weird.
I like that weird.
You sound weird, that took a lot, Bumblebee.
So we were on a crash, so we crash landed, and Bumblebee landed on his head.
Did he get a concussion?
Yes, he did.
Oh my god, he got a concussion? That could mess with his, brain, Optimus. Is that right? It did. Bad.
I never even seen if I went to sleep.
Guys, is it getting darker in here? Oh god, no, the lights. The lights have gone out, haven't they? Optimus, how
We have tips. Water is like surprise.
Oh, so back on. Optimus, that's bad to have. A bad system.
I will go fix them.
Later. I want to go catch up with you guys. So, guys, have you guys found any other Autobots?
I said no.
Optimus, I said get off the ground.
I see stars.
I don't care if you see stars, Optimus. I really just don't care. If you see stars, maybe I'll take you into my... Wait, guys, do you guys have a medical bay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just, can I go to that medical bay then? Bumblebee, is there something wrong with you? Oh, yes, I forgot. You got a concussion. Well, nice to meet you guys.
We've met before.
I know, but you know what I meant. I haven't seen you guys in like a long time. Like, it's pretty, weird. Like, I haven't seen, like, you guys are like good friends. No, good friends. That's good to know. Well, that's very good to know. Doesn't really look like they care that much.
Yes, we care about you so much that we want to marry you. Right, Optimus?
Alright, I have to fix Bumblebee.
Thank the Lord. I was getting
sounds good.
bored of him.
Optimus, I got this, Optimus. I got this. Alright, that's good. We can start tomorrow.
That's it.
Alright then. Ratchet. So, you could start tomorrow, to be honest. Okay, that sounds nice, Optimus.
Yay! I get no Thursday today. I get tomorrow.
Okay, I don't even know why he acts like that. Do you even know why he acts like that? Optimus, do you know why he acts like that?
Tell me about it.
Okay, well, it could be because he lost like
Can
some
we
brain
get the
damage.
birthday cake? Today's my mommy's birthday.
Oh my god. Does Bumblebee not remember that his mom's dead? Does he not?
I have a mom.
Oh my god. Okay. Optimus. I'll start tomorrow.
Bumblebee, we go through this every time. Your mom is not real. She's dead.
You mean alive, Optimus? And Optimus, I'll start on his brain tomorrow. Alright? That sounds good, Ratchet.
What are you talking about?
Oh my god, I just got a side out now.
Secret.
Goodbye, Bumblebee.